Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to screenshot with Plum Swipe 2 on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down and click on Motion and Gestures. After click on motion and gestures, so you will see if you want to screenshot with Plum Swipe, so turn on Plum Swipe to capture. After turn on this button and you will see take a screenshot, power button and volume down button, and you will see Plum screenshot is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can screenshot with Plum Swipe on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.